You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along. I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to show you how to change a new bag for Catheter. So we're going to use the day bag because Grandpa wants he is comfortable for this. So first, before you go touching this guys, you're going to wash your hands before that and put the gloves on. And now we remove the catheter the bag for catheter. So that's the storage of urine. And we're going to attach a new connector, guys. New bag, new connector. So this is the new connector. And since like it's a little longer, we're going to shorten it. So that's the tip you're gonna attach to the catheter. You're just going to squeeze it and nice, and make sure your patient is not in pain while you're squeezing in that. Be careful when you're squeezing it, make sure, there you go. And now we're going to calculate how long it is to cut the connector. So this is the catheter, the bag for the catheter. This is the storage of the urine. So that's the bag. This is the bag. And we're going, the green one in there, that's the lock. Make sure the green one is on top, it means it's locked. If the green color lock is down, that means it's open. Make sure I put it lock first. So we're going to connect it and testing it how long it is to cut the connector. So the connector, guys, it depends on the person. If he is a tall person or short person. So Gramps is a short person, so we need it to shorten up. Make sure the bag is not on the way all the way down to the floor when he goes standing up. So kailangan proportion sa legs, guys. So ngayon, natansya ko na mga 5 inches long ang ibabawas natin. So, ikakat natin yan dyan. Yes. Pwede mo rin i-measure ng ng hintuturo mo kung gaano kahaba. So, sa akin is mga 5 inches. Ang calculation ko para magtugma sa legs ni Grandpa. So where is the scissor? Looking for a scissor, guys. Hold on for a second. So make sure, guys, before putting the connector, make sure you have a clip all the way at the end to stop the flowing of the PP. Now we're going to cut it now. Yes, cut them off. Now we're going to insert the bag. Make sure the bag is locked, guys. Otherwise, the pee is going everywhere to the floor. So the catheter supply or the medical supply like this, guys, is provided by the government. It is free. So the nurse, the responsible who is ordering this kind of stuff. There you go. So ayan na. Ano na siya sa legs niya, eksakto na. At walang labis, walang kulang. Now we are going to put the tape. The purpose of putting a tape all the way at the end is just to avoiding playing around the catheter or the connector tube, and also for his comfortable feeling. Yes, so this is the tape, guys. Make sure the tape is friendly for skin. There's lots of tape, but this is a special tape for skin, guys. Make sure the skin, it doesn't irritate if you put that on his skin. So we're going to the pharmacy and ask for friendly skin tape. Make sure it breathables. So ilalagay natin yan dyan, guys, just to prevent moving around or playing around the tube. O para na rin hindi mabunot ni Gramps. Kasi may mga elderly na nakakalimutan na meron pala silang catheter na naka-attach. Minsan nabubunot nila. So ngayon, para ma-prevent yung ganong pangyayari, so nilalagyan natin ng tape and also a strap on his legs.
So good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So as a caregiver, as a PSW, or as a care aid, or whatever they call it. So here we call it PSW or caregiver or care aid. I don't know from other countries, they have different terms. So the difference between the day bag and the night bag catheter. So si Grandpa, gumagamit siya ng day bag and the night bag. So ang day bag kasi permanent siya since na ang pasyente is natutulog lang din sa bed the whole night. So ito yung ginagamit sa kanya. Ito yung pinapalit. So, malaking bag siya. Ito yung isasabit mo lang siya sa bedside. So ito yung hook niya. Isasabit mo lang dyan sa baba ng bed. And ito yung ikakabit sa mismong major catheter na naka-insert sa kanya. So ito yun, guys, kasi ang difference ng night bag is malaki ang kagaya ng ihi, ng urine. So hindi ka na papalit-palit pa or mag-flush ng parating nagpa-flush kasi malaki nga siyang bag na lagayan. So ngayon, guys, ang difference naman ng day bag. Yung day bag is mai-attach mo lang siya sa leg niya para nang sa ganon hindi maayos yung niya, hindi siya yung bang uncomfortable sa pagkilos-kilos. So ngayon, ito yung nilalagay namin na day bag para nasasalawalan mo siya o nalalagay ng pants, long pants. And then, comfortable siya pag gano'n. So ito, sa gabi lang yun kasi nakahiga nga lang siya sa bed. So, okay lang, sasabit mo lang siya sa tabi. At saka naka-ano lang siya, naka-underwear, naka-diaper. So, this is okay at night time. That's why they call it nighttime catheter bag. So ngayon, once napalitan niyo siya guys ng panibagong day bag na catheter, ito is only 5 days to use. So after 5 days, you have to dispose it. Kasi hindi na siya maganda pa ulit-ulit pa, dalawang lingguhan pa. Magkakaroon na siya ng infection nun. So ngayon, ito yung ihiin niya kanina for 2 hours lang. Ito, kunti lang, siguro mga 50 lang ito. So since ito bago pa lang kalalagay nila, so huhugasan ko siya ng suka with warm water. Warm water guys. Parati kami may suka or vinegar. So, ilalagay mo lang siya dyan para magamit ka ng tawag dito, funnel para diretso yung tubig sa tube, sa connector niya. Para ba ma-sanitize yung bacteria ng ihi. Ihahang mo lang siya dito para ma-dry. So ngayon guys, wag niyong gagamitin for so many times. Ang catheter bag is only 5 days to use, 1 week. Kasi once na paulit-ulit mo at hindi pa siguro nire-rinse, naku, magkakaroon ng infection yung pasyente mo. Sa mga dyan, sa mga caregivers or PSW katulad ko, yun guys, tips. Only 5 days to use catheter bag, and when you replace it with the new one, you have to wash it properly with vinegar. Don't put soap in it. Just vinegar is the best for sanitizing. Vinegar with warm water. Hey guys, another tip is if your client is using a catheter bag, always remember to use the gloves. Use gloves with you para hindi kayo mahawa. Let's say kung ano man may sakit yung client mo, so hindi kayo mahawa sa bacteria or whatever meron dyan virus sa ihi niya. So especially yung client niyo is may COVID. Do not forget to use this thing, gloves guys. And always wash your hands before and after. And para na rin sa protection nyo yan. So ako, awa ng Diyos, nakalipas na since the pandemic starts, marami akong client ko sa labas na may mga COVID. Thanks God guys, I never had infection. So until now, never at all. Because of PPE, don't forget your PPE guys. Personal protective equipment, and also mask always if he had COVID. Kung wala naman COVID, only mask. Even here at Lolo's house, we always use mask. Kung lalapit lang kami sa kanya, kung magpapakain or whatever, doing business on his personal care. So, we always wear mask. So, kung malayo naman kami sa kanya, we remove the mask kasi gusto namin naman natin makahinga ng maayos, hindi ba? Since wala naman COVID activities going on inside the house. So, it's okay. Just wear mask when you go to him, close to him. So, that's it guys. So, always wear PPE, personal protective equipment, para maiwas kayo sa mga virus or whatever infection meron ang inyong mga pasyente. So, another tip guys, don't forget. Okay, bye-bye!